E for apple, red and round. B for ball, bouncing on the ground. C for cat, so soft and small. D for dog, who loves to call. E for elephant, with a big long nose. F for fish, where the water flows. G for grapes, purple and green. H for hat, the best you've seen. Creamy and cool. J for jug, full of juice in school. K for kite, flying up so high. L for lion, with a mighty cry. M for mango, sweet delight. N for nest, birds rest at night. O for orange, round and fun. P for parrot, talks to everyone. Q for queen, wearing her crown. R for rabbit, hopping up and down. S for sun, smiling all day. T for three, green away. U for umbrella, in the rain we play. V for van, driving down the way. W for watch, ticking so neat. X for xylophone, music so sweet. Y for yak, with furry hair. Z for zebra, stripes to wear.
A is for apple, red and sweet. Hanging on the bunch, such a treat. B is for ball, bouncing high on the green grass, reaching the sky. C is for cat, playful and small, rolling with yarn, having a ball. D is for dog, wagging its tail in front of doghouse, happy and pale. E is for elephant, spraying with fun, jungle so colorful under the sun. F is for fish, swimming in blue, bubbles all around, peekaboo. G is for grapes, purple and round. H is for hat, floating around. I is for igloo, snowy and white. J is for juice, orange delight. K is for kite, flying up high. L is for lion, savannah nearby. M is for monkey, swinging so free. N is for nest, up in the tree. O is for orange, juicy and bright. P is for penguin, flying with delight. Q is for queen, waving so grand. R is for rainbow, over the land. S is for sun, shining so warm. T is for tiger, walking with charm. U is for umbrella, colorful and wide. V is for violin, music inside. O is for watch, tick-tock slow. X is for x-ray, bones we know. Y is for yo-yo, spinning around. Z is for zebra, stripes all around.
A for apple, shiny, red and sweet. B for ball, rolling to our feet. C for cat, with a happy smile. D for dog, running all the while. E for elephant, big and strong. F for fish, swimming all along. G for grapes, jumping on the ground. H for hat, spinning round and round and round. I for ice cream, cold and nice. J for jug, full of juice and ice. K for kite, flying in the sky. L for lion, with a roar so high. M for monkey, climbing on a tree. N for nest, where birds love to be. O for orange, juicy and round. P for parrot, making a sound. Q for queen, with a golden crown. R for rabbit, hopping up and down. S for sun, shining very bright. T for train, moving with delight. U for umbrella, keeping us dry. V for van, driving fast by. W for watch, chicken tick-tock. X for xylophone, music we rock. Y for yak, furry and tall. Z for zebra, stripes for all. Now sing along from A to Z, learning is fun for